Hello students, welcome to Caliber Convent School e-Digital Learning channel. Today's video we will study that the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. So in this poem we will study something about the future students, something good about our future. Let us read the poem students. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word to you? Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng? Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way, or is someone might grateful for a deed you did today? Can you say tonight in parting with the days that's slipping fast that you helped a single brother of many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does the man whose hopes were fading now with courage looks ahead? So in this poem students, it is related to something tomorrow, that have we had learned something about our present and past, or we had learned something good about our present and past, so that it can be benefit or it can be important for our future life. In our life, everyone is very much busy, okay students. No one having the time to get and relocate among the other peoples. No one is remembering each and everything that someone has doing for them, okay. The sacrifices are forgetting by the people nowadays, because we all are living in 21st century, right? So we don't have time to at least greet someone with our heart. We don't have time. We are very much selfish. We are not with a pure heart, okay students. So in this poem the poet is telling that you don't have to be so much selfish. You have to get time related to the related to other person also. We are wasting the days, okay. We are wasting our today, tomorrow and the consolence day. And did we leave a trial of kindness or a scare of discontent? Are you close your eyes in scramble? Do you think that God would say you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today, okay students. So the work we are doing today, we are getting the benefit or the profit related to the related to our life. So we have to do the best. We have to focus on our best in today and future also.